All right, today we're going to do an unboxing of the blueGel miniPCR electrophoresis box. This is something that I'm excited to have, something I'm going to be using quite a bit for DNA barcoding and the genetic engineering work that I'm doing. So let's open it up and just take a look at the package contents here. This blueGel company is located in the Boston area, and I believe this was shipped from Burlington, Massachusetts. And so let's open it up. So the first thing that we have here is, looks like there's mini PCR tools for your classroom, a little ad for some of their other products. Then there is this bag here to put everything in, presumably a store. So that's pretty cool. Very good. Now we have, let's take a look at this. Press down to close. I believe what this is for taking pictures. So this is gonna fit over the gel box itself. And there is a little hole at the top, which, if I can show you, let's see here, it says fist down to open. So fist down to open. That is much harder than I would expect. All right, before I break it or bend it, I'm gonna move on. But this goes over the box, and you can kind of see it in this picture here. Okay, next is, let's take a look at some of these accessories. We have this box here. Let me open this box. Power supply. And we have the blueGel miniPCR power supply. This is a 48 volt, half amp power supply with this connector here. Okay. Then we have what looks to me like part of the box itself. And combs are stored under the tray. So it says remove this label before you use. It's nice plastic, it's pretty heavy duty plastic. Here are the gel combs. There's 1 and 2. And let's see if I can remove this plastic here. Says, yeah, so a little bit of adhesive still here that I will want to remove. Take this plastic out as well. So really in there. And I can tell you this plastic is pretty substantial. It doesn't bend very easy. Neither does this one. This is plastic as well. And those fit into here. And you can see this is kind of how the combs fit in there. So put that there. We have Clearview spray. And this goes onto the inside of the blueGel cover to clean that. So that's good. Put that here. And we have looks to be like another, maybe this is the casting tray. Another piece of plastic. And I'm gonna guess, I'm not sure what that is yet, so put that there. The lid. Then we have the main unit itself. So we have the power supply, or I guess you would call this the main box, but this is where the power supply plugs into. And when I look at this, you can also see that there is a demarcation for the negative side of the terminal and the positive. And so the DNA will be moving from here to here, from the negative to positive. We have a button for the light, and we have a button for the power. And so it looks like this seems to be just the right size to fit here. Cool. And I'm guessing I need to read the instructions on actually how to set this up. This might actually be the casting trays. And then once they get cast, I guess the gels move into here. So I've never ran a gel before, so this will be my first time to use this. And that's okay. And we have what looks like a lens cleaner. So I'm presuming that goes on the lid. So if we look at the lid here, we have the lid, and that fits over. And it also has a label here for the negative terminal and one for the positive. And so it makes it kind of easy to match that up on the box. So you can just put that there. And so the spray is going to go for cleaning the inside of this. And what else do we have in the box? In the box we have a packing slip with my information on it. And we have, appears to be like a manual. So hardware, this miniPCR. Let's see if it's got information about this. So it has this here, and there we go. Those are the agarose gel tablets that you can get that are optional, and you can see how this is where your phone will be on top of it. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. So it looks like it's just a product booklet with all of their other products. Not an instructional, not really an instructional booklet necessarily. For that, we'll have to go online and read the instructions on how to actually run it. I do want to see if we can get this, on top. It says fists down on the top to open. There's sort of like a crinkle on the inside. It wouldn't be something you would normally, I think this should be too difficult, but it is. Huh. Oddly, it is. I'm probably doing something wrong. There we go. So maybe this down to open. There we go. As soon as we're getting close. Come on, almost there. There we go, got that side. There we go. That was harder than it probably should have been, that really helped it. So you can see that when the gel box is turned on, that's what's going to allow us to take photographs of the electrophoresis box. Cool. Fits over it nice and snug. And that seems to be it. That is the blueGel by miniPCR. Thank you.